All right, this is Mosa Lingua Spanish. I got the old version where I actually paid like $5 for it or something like that. So let's learn these flashcards. Listen and repeat. Go.
Me llamo David.
Me llamo David. Okay.
Me llamo David.
Me llamo David. My name is David. Okay. I'm not going to record my voice though.
Hola.
Hola. Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Got that easy peasy.
Adiós.
Adios. Goodbye.
Adiós.
Adios.
Gracias.
Gracias. Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? How are you? Is that right?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Let's memorize. How are you is ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Me llamo David.
Me llamo David.
Me llamo David. Ooh. Adios.
Adiós.
Adios. Hello is hola.
Hola.
Hola. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Now we can write. I'm going to skip through this stuff. Hola is Hola. All right.
Hola.
Hola. Gracias. Acias.
Gracias.
Gracias. I think now they have like a, this is the old version of the app, but it's way better. Me llamo David. Let's just turn the flashcard.
Me llamo David.
Don't even have to type it in. Me llamo David. Adios. Adios.
Adiós.
Adios. ¿Cómo estás? Oh, let's just turn it over.
¿Cómo estás?
Yeah, I thought I was wrong. ¿Cómo estás? We'll see we got it right. Self-evaluation time. Now it's like Anki flashcards. How are you is ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Perfect. Fine. We'll go good. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Good. Me llamo David.
Me llamo David.
Me llamo David. Adios.
Adiós.
Adios. Good. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. I'm just going to say good for all of them. All right. I'm not watching no videos. Here's some more words and sentences. Let's go. Let's listen and repeat.
No.
No. I know what that means.
No.
No.
No sé.
No sé. I don't know.
No sé.
No sé. Okay. Oh, I'm not connected to the internet right now. Dang it. Dang it. Well, that's it for today.